In today's demonstration, we would like to show you how the integration of the data quality tools soda.io and Alation will help surface critical data information to your data community and help you be more proactive in your governance efforts. In this demonstration, I'm playing the persona of a data steward, and I just received an email notification from Alation notifying me of a data quality issue. Let's go investigate. One of the cool benefits of being a steward of a table in Alation is the automatic notification if something changes or falls out of spec. We can clearly see here I got a steward notification for a deprecated table, and I can see that Soda Cloud posted in a rule that said, hey, there's a data issue here, see the data quality rules below for more information. So let's go to the table and investigate to see what's going on. Before I even get into the table, I can see there's a deprecation. Okay, excellent. That's what we were notified about. And I can come down here to the SODA data quality rules and see very clearly and quickly which three rules are failing. So it looks like we've got transaction date, automatic year, the date format is failing. Well, let's go investigate at the column level and see what the data is showing. So let's go into the automatic year. Okay, so I can see the last run was a couple days ago and that we're missing a lot of fields or rows missing data. Okay, this is giving me some more insight. What's the impact of this data quality issue? What downstream is going to be impacted? So with just one click, I can see impact analysis. Okay, so we have a BI report that I'm also stewarding that is being impacted by this. Okay, excellent. Well, let me reach out to my IT counterparts to see if they've got any issues on the upstream data of, the ETL push. I just got off the phone with IT and we were able to triage it back to an ETL job failure. So let me go ahead and come over here and post. IT is aware of this issue and users that land on this table will be made aware of it. Let me go investigate though and see if there are other rules that are being impacted or other columns being impacted by this. So by clicking on the column for this rule, it's taking me to a glossary term where it's defining completeness. This is part of our governance effort where it's notifying end users and stewards how we as a company define completeness or accuracy or validity. I can go over to our glossary for data quality rules and see all the other rules that we have available. What's powerful about this is that with our SODA integration is that we're able to quickly show and highlight here all the columns that have a completeness rule applied to them. So I can go right into SODA with a simple click and see the historical changes of this data over the last 30 days or 60 days. So I can see if it's consistently missing the mark or if it's hitting the mark and this is just a rogue error. Another neat thing is as a steward or user, if I need to go and create a new data quality rule, I can come over here and click on Open with Soda Cloud. And it's going to take me right to the table with all the columns to see more in-depth detail. I can expand any one of these columns and see histograms and see more rich information. But in this case, I want to create another data quality rule or a new monitor that will notify us if, the automatic year is missing more data than 3%. It's very easy. Just come over here, click Create Monitor. I can create a metric. There's also capabilities to create checking to see when the data arrived, custom formula. I can get really customizable rules in here to make sure our data is meeting our governance policies. So we're creating a new data set. I'm going to go right into monitor and we're going to look for percent missing. We're going to specify automatic and we're going to say threshold. And what we're looking for is if we're missing greater than 3%, that we get notified. So here we can see that the tracking of SODA, that this would be automatically flagging. So maybe I need to work with IT to get the ETL job or get the upstream data more consistent. Where here, if the data was in line, it would be accurate. With a few more clicks, I can immediately kick this off. SOTA will then start building out these rules and monitoring the data in real time. So in just a few minutes, we went from being notified of issue to then creating new data quality rules and standards for our data that fall in line with our governance process.